how to show or hide the Mail app and content in Search on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Mail. In here, tap on Siri in Search. Then go down to the While Searching section and tap on Show App in Search. So this will allow the app to appear in the search or not. You can also choose to show or hide the content in Search by tapping on the toggle button to switch it on or off. Now at the bottom here it says Allow Mail the app and its content to appear in Search. And after that, tap on the back key to go back to Settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.